In a treetop treehouse full of wonders, Max, Lily, and Toby enjoy a playful afternoon. But suddenly, a mystical purple mist surrounds them, shrinking everything, even the children. Wow, we're as small as ants! Tiny and amazed, the siblings find themselves in a world where their treehouse seems like a jungle.
Hold tight, everyone.
Eager to find a solution, the children make a brave descent using a makeshift rope of shoelaces.
Hop on, I'll give you a ride.
Through towering grass and shimmering dewdrops, they meet a friendly ladybug willing to help.
I've got you, Toby.
In the flower garden, colorful petals become bouncing pads for the trio.
Visit the wise caterpillar. He knows many things.
Stumbling upon an ant colony, their teamwork impresses the ants who offer some wise advice. This snail is nice and slow, I like it. The kind snail comes to their aid, taking them on a slow yet thoughtful journey.
Just trust yourself, then you will know how to live.
Finally, the wise caterpillar with tiny glasses speaks of the shrinking stone in the bird bath.
It's so beautiful from up here.
A group of butterflies grants them a splendid flight, gliding over their garden world.
I've got the stone, now what?
At the bird bath, teamwork bursts forth as they retrieve the stone from the depths.
I'm sorry, let's fix this together.
A mischievous fairy appears, learning a valuable lesson about mischief and mending.
We did it.
Solving the magical puzzle on the stone, the children combine their best skills to succeed.
Look, we're our regular size again.
A sparkling wave restores size to their world, bringing back a sense of normalcy and relief.
That was the best adventure ever.
With a magical farewell wave from the fairy, their unforgettable adventure becomes a cherished memory. We'll never forget this magical day.